So when you're at the track and the car in front of you won't let you get by, even though he's slow, you press this button, blow his shit up, and you give him the finger as you go by. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm here, got the 2021 Camaro SS 1 Elite, and today we're going to talk a little bit about track prep, what I'm going to take to the track. And I did some draggy pulls when I got the car. I haven't done any new tests, but I'm going to show them to you, kind of just pretty much show them to you. It's only 2 pulls, but first I'm going to give you an update on the cars. Yes, I have some papers, just a list of crap I got to do for the track, but quick update. Marty with the Supra, he's driving it, having fun with it. He's got mods piling up at the house because he's got to get that Mustang finished up so he can sell it. We've all been helping in and out, but he's just kind of waiting on maybe I think one part for the drive shaft, and then he can finish that car off and see if we can get it ready to get sold. But he's been enjoying the Supra, and that's just waiting on the Mustang so we can do mods on the Supra. Also, Christina got her car back after a couple bumps. You'll see a video on that soon, probably this weekend. Yeah, car moves and it sounds. So yeah, let me see what other. Oh, Rob Supra's gone. I don't know why. Yeah, so when next time we get with Rob, the Supra's gone, so we'll show you his new car and we'll talk about what happened with the Supra and the JB4. And let me see what else. Bobby's Mustang, you haven't seen it around much. He's got a Pro Charger on it too. Hopefully we'll see it this weekend. If not, we'll see it around. Pat's got the GT350 that got some headers, magnetic clutch. Got a tune. I don't know if he's got a corn tune yet or not. I don't know if he's on corn yet or not, but hopefully we'll see that soon. We'll see how much, how much better it's doing. We'll put it on the dyno and have some fun with it here soon. Let me see who else. Thomas EcoBoost. He's got his engine. Like a week ago, we got it in the car, got it all set up. It's making some noise, so it's going to go to Park Performance so they can check that out. And Ariel also came to help, and he has an EcoBoost. He's got the Gen 3, not Gen 3, but the 18 and up cars with the 10-speed. And we're going to see how much deeper into 11s we can get on that car with that turbo. But anyways, let's go into track prep for this Camaro. So couple things that the books tells you to do is, first of all, you check the oil, make sure you got 0W40 in it, and that's good. The brake fluid is got .4, but it wants you to get a higher performance, so it has like a higher boiling point. So I got that. We put Motul 650 on it, and I got an extra bottle to take with me to the track. I got extra oil too. Another thing I did, since I lowered the car, it was on IBOC, the sport lines, it lowered it 0.7 of an inch. They got the 1.1 or the 0.7. I got the 0.7 front and back, and I like how it looks. The other ones I think would have been way too low, but since I did that, I had to get the MagneRide reprogrammed. So I took it to Chevy. They swapped the brake fluid, they did the alignment on the car. They took 3 hours to do the alignment. I don't think the guy has done these cars, but he got the alignment right. The camber on the front is supposed to be like -2, and it's on the 1.6, and the back is like 1.5 for track, and it's like a 1.4, and then the caster and toe, all that, like the car's within specs. And it's lowered, it's aligned, and the MagneRide was reprogrammed, so it feels super good when you drive it. So yeah, so got the oil, got the alignment reprogram, got the brake fluid. Let me see what else is on this list. They did the safety inspection where they checked the tire depth, the brakes, I don't know, all that crap for the track, so they did that. And let me see what else. So that's pretty much it for like the track prep. Check the tires, check the fluids, all the fluids, make sure you do a safety inspection, everything is good, and then the list of crap to take to the track. So for the track, I got a list, and I'm bringing, of course, the helmet, making sure it's the snow approved. So 2015 or 2020, I believe. I got the new helmet, the race whip, super nice. And I got the decal on it thanks to Eric and Luis. I'll put the Instagrams. They don't do it for everybody, it's just for us for fun. So, but I got the helmet, brake fluid extra to take with me just in case I have to end up, you know, bleeding them or topping it off. Same with the oil, I have extra oil. Taking some basic tools, drinks and snacks, bug spray and sunscreen. I'm taking a chair, taking an umbrella just in case it rains. I might bring the tent depending on how many people come. I might bring the tent, I might not. I might just bring an umbrella just for me, or those big ass hats that cover just for me, since we're gonna be walking around taking pictures, taking videos. I don't know, we'll see. And from people I see and recommended to, tire pressure gauge, I have that, the rubber off spray, so you can kind of get rid of the rubber that you get right there at the track. Some of that blue tape, I'm gonna take some blue tape. I haven't decided not if I'm gonna tape the front splitter. I'll have to see, I'll have to talk to some of the guys and read around. I've been researching, we're going to the firm. It's in Stark, it's about 2 hours away. So I gotta see if it's gonna get pretty damaged, then I'm probably gonna tape it. And hopefully you can hear me because you got all that noise. They're cutting grass there, got all the cars, but this is kind of like a good area where there's, you know, shade. I'm not in the sun, so yeah. Let me see what else. Toilet paper, because you never know. And then I got the tow hook in the back. The car has its own tow hook, so I'm bringing that. And also I have the blocks for the springs, just in case we have to raise the car and put the blocks in the spring to keep it a little higher if it has to get towed in. Hopefully we can go to the track and everything is good. I mean, it's pretty much a brand new car and I plan on having fun with it, but you never know. So that's pretty much it for the list. I still got to go through a couple things and make sure, you know, I don't forget anything. If I'm putting this video out today is Friday, and I'm not going to the track until next week. So put in the comments anything you think I forgot. I'm pretty sure I forgot something, but I'll keep making a list. I have time, plenty of time. And yeah, we're going to the firm. It's in Starks, 2 hours away. I haven't registered. I'm watching the weather this week. The weather is gonna get pretty bad. It's gonna be raining a lot. So, and they run, you know, rain or shine. And I'm okay with raining a little bit because I still want to go have fun. And this car has different track modes and it has one for the rain. But the disadvantage I have is the Supercar 3s, these tires, they are not very good in the rain at all. So like Rob and Jorge, they have MPS4s. Jorge's got other set of tires, but I don't think he's gonna put those on. But still, like, these tires in the rain are probably not gonna be good. So if it rains a little bit and it dries out because it's hot, I'll be fine. But if it constantly rains, I'm gonna have fun, but not as much fun as I should. So let me see what else. So when I go to the track, the car has all these track modes. You know, you have track only, then you can have track and take traction control off, but you still have, I don't know, it has like stability track and all these different things. I don't know how to explain them, but I've read them through. So when I get to the track, my first run is gonna be, it has, the PTM mode has wet. If it's raining, I'm gonna do wet. If it's not, I'm gonna do dry, because that's like the, kind of like the beginner level. I mean, the beginner level, we just put it in track and don't touch anything because all the traction controls, everything is on. But I've had some fun with different cars. They don't have Magnet Ride and all that stuff at the compound and different things. I might not push it as hard as I'm gonna do at this track, but to begin with, I think I'll be okay with going on the PTM mode dry, because it takes some stability track off and it's not full engine power. So I'll kind of get used to it as I get the tires warm, and hopefully I can move up to race one. I mean, not race one. Yes, race one? No, sport one. Sport one. Sport 2 and race, I plan not on touching, because those takes the magnet right away. It makes it super stiff. It takes stability track and traction control, like not completely off, but pretty much almost all the way off. And the ELSD just make changes and it still helps. But I want to start with dry and hopefully move on to sport 1. And if I feel really good, you know, I feel the car's braking too much and fixing to me, I'll move to sport 2 and you know, we'll see how the day goes and how I progress. But I just want to go have some fun, test out the beginning, you know, the initial modes of dry and sport 1, and see if I can push it and have some fun, and hopefully, you know, drive there, have fun, drive home. And I got Rob's coming in his new car. This weekend we're going to Cars and Coffee in Orlando. Hopefully I can make it, but if I can't make it, they're gonna go. Hopefully they'll vlog it and they'll show Rob's car. If not, we'll record it here soon and show it to you all. But yeah, I'm going, Rob's going with his new car. Jorge with the red Mustang, Performance Pack 2, he's coming. And then I think he's bringing somebody else. We have Eric, I forget the Instagram, but he has one of the Tesla cars, super nice, wrapped in blue. He's planning on coming too. Hopefully he can make it. And I don't know who else is gonna come watch, or if last minute they can come and register and go, because it's pretty pricey. You gotta kind of pay for the registration, and if it's the first time, I don't know if you need instruction or not, that costs money. If you don't have a helmet, you gotta rent one. The transponder, I want to get a transponder so I can get some times. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Car is pretty much ready. It's nasty. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it's super dirty. Hopefully you can't see it. I'm gonna wash it later today and keep it in the garage for Cars and Coffee Sunday early. But so far the car has a little bit over 4,000 miles, and I love it. I love it. I mean, it's not my Mustang Paxton supercharged power, it's not Hellcat power, but it's enough power. It turns really good, it drives really good, it feels like a sports car, it looks awesome with the wheels and lowered and the wing and, you know, everything. And I almost forgot, let me show you the Draggy pools real quick. So they have no sound because it's when I got the car, and this car has Apple CarPlay, and the Apple CarPlay is like you disconnect it, but this one has Wi-Fi too, so it kind of connects to it and it takes the audio. And yeah, I think I ran one and I did an 11.2 as I'm talking, and hopefully you're seeing it on screen. But then I ran it again and I got a 10.9 out of it. But that's when I got the car and it was new, it had just been broken in. I didn't understand the modes. I think when I got the 11.2 the car was on track mode, and when I got the 10.9 it was like on race mode, sport mode, race mode, whatever it is, in competitive mode. It wasn't competitive mode, so some traction was off. And I've noticed the car's faster when you drive it like that. So I still have to figure it out, and I gotta go do some, you know, Draggy pulls now. But I don't know if I'm gonna get much faster or not because of the wing and the extra weight and all that other stuff. I really don't care, but we got a Draggy pool. We got some testing, so the fastest I got is 10.9 out of it. If you have one of these cars and you've gotten faster, let me know. If you probably have just an SS or LT1 or whatever it is, it has less weight and all that, you can probably get it faster. But if you have a 1.8, you've gotten faster than a 10.9 on a 10 speed, or even a manual, you know, with no lift shift, just let me know, because I've seen Christina's in the 11s, this is in the 10.9s. We got to test Christina now with the Whipple and the updates to the Whipple, so we'll see. But yeah, if you've gotten a 10.9 or better, just kind of let me know and see what modes you've been to. As soon as I get a chance, we've been so busy. Marty's been busy with the project and the Mustang. Christina works a lot. Everybody's working. I'm busy with the family, and we just haven't been able to do much. But now when we get back together and we have the space and we're able to do some testing, hopefully I can get some more data for you guys. But for now, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and if I forgot anything for track prep, let me know in the comments too, and subscribe. We're going to the track next week. We got some super updates coming, the Mustang, Pro Charge car, the EcoBoost, the GT350, and Christina with the upgrades for the Whipple. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.